How to delete Amazon search history on iPhone. So all you have to do is to click on your Amazon application. So for that, it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now, what you're gonna do to be able to delete your Amazon search here is you're gonna go here on the bottom part, your profile icon, click on that. Just go back here a little bit, and now it will look like this, right? What you're gonna do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see your account here, this option, and you will see here your browsing history. So to be able to clear your Amazon browsing history, you have to click on that, and basically you will see all your browsing history, and then you can also see the remove from view button, and you can individually or specifically delete those searched items. So if you wish to clear all browsing history, or your total browsing history, click on the upper right here. You'll see the gear icon, click on the settings, and basically click on remove items here. And basically that's it. That is how you delete Amazon search history on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.